Hello and welcome to Slide Ranch. My name is Julie Hartman and I am the Director of Education here. Today we are in the pasture with our herd of goats and sheep who are enjoying the springtime plants and grass, including some of the young lambs and goat kids who were born a couple of months ago. This is the beginning of our story about wool and how the fleece of a sheep becomes fiber that we humans can use to make clothing. And we'll also teach you how to make a simple weaving using colorful yarn. What are some things that you know that are made of wool? The first step is sheep shearing, which is removing the sheep's wool with clippers. And it is no easy task, but it is necessary if you raise sheep. Most sheep breeds need to be sheared at least once a year, although some breeds have wool that grows faster and needs shearing twice a year. This is usually done in the early spring, around lambing season. The shorn wool coat is called a fleece. The next step, called skirting, means to remove parts of the fleece that are full of manure, usually from the back end of the sheep, that are too dirty to use. The wool is then washed to remove vegetable matter, manure, and oil called lanolin. Sometimes as much as 50% of the weight of the fleece is washed out in its bath using soap or detergent, or sometimes an acid bath, which can help dissolve all the vegetable matter and the lanolin.
Like very typical beginner yarn, and then you forget how to do it. But it's also an art yarn technique, so then you have to learn. Like, oh yeah, how to do that.
Once the fleece is clean, it can be carded. This can be done with small hand cards that look like brushes you would use on a dog, or it can be done with a drum carder that has a crank, or a larger machine which combs the wool by transferring it back and forth from one drum to another.
Going to this side, it makes it much easier to get it.
Okay.
carded wool pulls apart so easily, but the process of twisting it or spinning creates a strong fiber. Welcome back to the Slide Ranch pasture. We will demonstrate the simplest form of spinning, just using our hands to twist some fleece into yarn and make a bracelet.
Hi, buddy. You're nice. Now you're walking. Oh, you have great eyelashes.
In the middle. So start right here, and we're both gonna twist. So this is the process of spinning, which makes the wool strong and turns it into yarn. So twist it really tight. There you go. You can even roll it like this. And we're gonna turn this into a bracelet. Good, keep twisting. We're going to, you pinch those together now. Pinch them really tight at the very end, and I'm gonna let it go. So now look how strong that is. Do you want to wear it like a bracelet? Now we will show you step by step how to use yarn to make a rainbow weaving.